In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in Carrd. If you've got a site that you no longer need or simply want to start fresh, this step-by-step guide will take you through the process of removing it from your Carrd account. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Carrd account dashboard. Go ahead and log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main interface, the central hub where you manage all your sites. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make it easier as you follow along. Next, look for the Sites tab in the navigation menu. Clicking on this tab will display all the sites you have created under your account. It's a great way to see everything at a glance and helps you keep your projects organized. Now browse through your list of sites to find the specific Carrd website you wish to delete. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct site, especially if you have multiple websites, to avoid removing the wrong one. Once you've located it, hover over the site listing and you should see a manage icon appear. This icon usually looks like a small gear or wrench, indicating settings or management options for that particular site. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will bring up additional options in a sidebar or a new window, providing you with more detailed controls over your site. In the sidebar, one of the available actions will be delete site. Select this option when you're absolutely sure you want to proceed. Carrd takes website deletion seriously, as it's an irreversible action. To ensure you don't accidentally delete your site, you'll be required to confirm your action. A confirmation checkbox will appear and you'll need to check it to verify that you understand the consequences of deleting your site. This step is crucial for preventing accidental data loss. After checking the confirmation box, it's time to finalize the deletion process. You'll need to click delete site once more. This final step removes the site permanently, freeing up resources and clearing your list of sites on your dashboard. And there you have it, your site has been successfully deleted from Carrd. Remember, once a site is deleted, it's gone for good. There's no undo button, which is why it's essential to be certain of your decision before you confirm the deletion. If you're not entirely sure, consider backing up content that you may want to use later. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Carrd guides for more tips and tricks.